My name is Annemiek van Vleuten. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm a professional cyclist. I'm the current Olympic champion time trial and also won the silver medal in the road race. For me, Canary Islands in one word is recharging. Canary Islands is helping me in the preparation because the weather is always good and it's easy to travel to. It's a direct flight, usually from the Netherlands, 4 hours only, and you're here in good weather. For a pro rider it's really good because the weather is good, there are mountains, there are climbs, the landscapes are different, the sun. It's for me the most important ingredient to recharge myself is the sun here. You taste the island, you smell the island, you feel it more. For sure I want to come back here with my bike and enjoy the landscape and the riding because you really feel it on the bike. You can't miss on Canarias is to go to a local bar, have some local food and meet there maybe some local people. For me that's also the best, to escape a bit the tourist places and see the real Canarias.